Hello everyone, my name is Avva Nazeeda from first year CSC, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Vadachil. My topic of innovation and design thinking workshop is the mobile app that helps user to find and book electric vehicle charging station. Another idea could be an app that allows you to book a charging station in advance so you don't have to worry about finding an available station when you arrive. The app could also provide information on the charging speed and availability of different types of chargers so you can choose the best option for your needs. Components required geolocation to determine the user's location and find nearby charging station, payment processing to allow user to pay for charging sessions through the app. Some apps also provide real-time data on charging station availability so you can plan your trip accordingly. You may need to create an account and provide payment information to the use the app's booking and payment features. Popular charging station apps include ChargePoint, Greenlots, and PlugShare. So this is how it looks like. Thank you.